Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2008 Kawasaki VULCAN 900 Custom with a California sidecar TRIKE kit has 13,060 miles, passes New Hampshire State inspection, and runs well. It's been upgraded with a Kawasaki removable windshield, mirrors, engine guard, studded 2-up rider seat, gear position indicator, and reverse gear. Classic cruiser style and performance blend with smooth, responsive handling. Powered by a 903cc motor, the Vulcan puts 50 horsepower and 57 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. Adding to its appeal is the stability of 3 wheels that the TRIKE kit brings, as well as an easy cargo trunk and foot control accessible reverse functions. It has a stock seat height of 26.8 inches and a wet weight of 620 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.